we visited the Haribo factory outlet in Bonn, birthplace of the gummy bear. The outlet offers the entire Haribo and Moam assortment across 350 square metres, as well as merchandise. The outlet is on the outskirts of the city and has plenty of free parking. We didn't have any problem parking Audrey here. In the store you will find row upon row of Haribos and Moams from around the world, as well as lots of merchandise. There is just so much to choose from. And if you can't make up your mind what sweets to buy, you can always buy a mystery box. We bought one Moam and one Haribo box, as well as a mystery biscuit box. We'll reveal what's in them later.
Soon after, back at the camper van.
So this is the broken biscuit box, I suppose you'd call it, back in the UK. 1 kilograms, and it cost for £3.99, I think it was. So we're just going to open it up and see what's in there. Ooh, okay. Ah, it's like chocolate. Oh. Like chocolate biscuits, they're all falling out. Funny. They're not broken. They're odds and sods, I think. Hot chocolate fingers. Hearts, lots of white chocolate fingers. People obviously don't like them. Okay, I suppose not bad for what we got. Very good. So that was €3.99 from the Haribo factory in Bonn. Check it out.
One eternity later, back in the UK.
So we're back in the UK, and as you will recall, we picked up 2 of these surprise boxes in the Haribo factory. One is a 4 kilogram Moam surprise box, and the other is a 6 kilogram Haribo box. So I'm just going to open them up and see what we've got. So I'm going to start with the Moam box. 4 kilograms surprise box. No idea what's in this, so we're just about to find out. let's move on to the 6 kilogram Haribo box. Wow, I think when you consider how many Haribos there are there, I think for £20, excellent value. So if you've got kids and you're near the Haribo shop, it is like going into, it's just like another world. It's unbelievable. I can't really describe it. It's just Haribos everywhere. So I'm going to box them up, but what I would say is if you like Haribos like I do, like a lot of my friends and family do, and you're in Bonn, definitely go and see the Haribo shop.